What's up everyone? Welcome back to Workshop Rebuild. Today I'm going to be taking off the tires and see what we can do with the rims. But can we take it off with this little tool set? Stay tuned. Okay, so we took off both tires and now we exposed the brake assembly here and the hubs. Okay, so underneath now both pins, the rototiller are disassembled and the drive shaft right up front. I'm gonna have to disconnect with this quick attach right here, I believe. And it has a shear pin. So let's see. Oh no, it just slides off. Okay, so we're gonna just pull the rototiller off. So we just took off all the wheels, the wheel weights are off, and the rototiller is off. So moving forward for the next step, we're gonna take off the hood, make sure everything is straight, get everything sanded. So once we start putting the white paint in the paint gun, we can paint everything at once. We're going to be painting the hood, the rims, and the wheel weights all at the same time, and possibly even the back panel, which you don't see right here. Once we get that painted, we can move forward onto the steering mechanism up front and the front hubs. Since they are a little bit loose, tighten them up, grease them up that they function properly, and we're going to move forward to the back here and get the brakes adjusted. So if you guys want to see more of Workshop Rebuild, don't forget to drop a like down below, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your post notifications to see the latest videos that we upload. Stay tuned.